Hi everyone, welcome back to Yedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Motorola Moto Edge mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover from the body. Next, pull out the logic board frame with the lens by undoing 12 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera from the top right. While pulling out, gently peel the tape. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working wide, ultra wide and telephoto cameras from the board. Next, replace the required broken camera with a new unit and then secure it on the board. Next, secure the wide, ultra wide and telephoto cameras to the board. Next, secure the new front camera to the board. Make sure to remove the tape and place it on the new one. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame with the lens by adding 12 screws. Next, before installing the back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.